Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video, parallel operation and DC charging with your EU2200i generator. In this video, we'll show you how to properly install and operate the Honda accessory parallel and DC charge cables on your new generator. Operating a generator can be dangerous if used improperly. Always refer to the owner's manual regarding the safe and proper operation of your generator. Generator exhaust contains carbon monoxide, which is a poison you can't see or smell. Never use a generator inside a home or garage, even if the doors and windows are open. Only use outside, far away from windows, doors, and vents. Parallel operation gives you the ability to link two Honda EU2200i or EU2000i generators together using a special parallel cable kit to get as much as double the power output. This gives you extra power when you need it, without having to trade up for a larger, heavier single generator. The companion versions of the EU2200i and EU2000i generators provide a built-in 30 amp receptacle. These models are designed specifically for parallel operation with another EU2200i and select EU2000i models. You'll be able to use the 30 amp outlet on the companion to draw the full combined power of the two units. It's perfect for RVs and for home use with a transfer switch or wherever a 30 amp outlet might be preferable. Parallel operation cable kits can be purchased through authorized Honda Power Equipment dealers. All EU2200i Honda generators can be connected to another EU2200i or EU2200i companion generator, as well as select EU2000i model generators that have specific frame serial numbers. The table below shows the compatible frame serial number ranges. To parallel the EU2200i generator with another generator, follow these simple steps. With both of the engine switches in the off position, connect the parallel cable labeled L to the left parallel outlets, then connect the cable labeled R to the right parallel outlets. Attach the ground terminal from each parallel cable to the corresponding ground terminal on each generator and tighten each screw securely. Start each generator and confirm that the green output indicator is illuminated on each. If using the Eco Throttle, be sure that both generators are set to Eco Throttle on once both generators are started. The EU2200i models are equipped with a 12-volt DC charge port that, when used with the Honda accessory battery charging cable, can charge a weakened 12-volt automotive-style battery. Note that the DC charge function should not be used to charge the battery long-term, as the voltage is unregulated, which could damage the battery if left unattended. Plug the accessory charge cable into the DC receptacle. Connect the red lead of the accessory cable to the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery, followed by the black lead to the negative terminal of the vehicle battery. Start the generator with the Eco Throttle switch off and allow the battery to charge. Do not attempt to start any vehicle while the generator is running and the charge cable is connected to the battery, or generator damage may occur. To disconnect the battery charge cable, turn the generator off and disconnect in the reverse order of installation. For any additional information regarding the installation and operation of these or any Honda accessories for your EU2200i, refer to your owner's manual or contact your Honda Power Equipment dealer.